Today on Unpacked, we are gonna drop some knowledge on you. So today we are looking at a brand called Drops, and we actually have a couple of different versions of their packaging from different ways that we ordered it to talk about a couple of things here. But Drops is a dishwasher detergent. These are pods, and they have an interesting story about their packaging. They started out putting these things in rigid plastic tubs, and they didn't like that single-use plastic component, and they just didn't feel it was necessary. It wasn't really appropriate for what they were doing. So they transitioned into flexibles, which is a reduction of material. This can be space savings. There's other reasons to do that, but their frustration with that was the recyclability stream, next to impossible, especially if you've got a multi-layer structure. There's a lot of challenges with that. And so they then moved into this solution here. And we bought two different versions. We actually bought one from them direct, and then we bought one from them via Amazon. And we got two different packs. And there's a couple of reasons that could have happened. In some cases, brands do channel-specific packaging. So if you think of your channels as like mass retail, you think Walmart, grocery, maybe you have club stores, convenience stores, all those different types of channels that they have. It's not uncommon for brands to have unique packaging for club than they do for something else. Or even retailer-specific packaging, right? Walmart may require their own unique version, or you'll get that with Best Buy, or maybe one of the big box home improvement stores. It's not uncommon for some of those brands to ask for, if they're buying enough, we want our own version of the packaging. We want our own unique size. We want something that differentiates us from the rest of the market. Sometimes that comes as a way to avoid price shopping, right? Oh, we've got the 59-ounce version and they have the 62-ounce version, whatever that is. There's a lot of reasons that happens. But what we actually got here were two of the same kind of things. I think these were 64 count pods. This one did not come, ships an own container from Amazon. I feel like it's close. I feel like they might have been able to pull it off, but it didn't. It came here in this flexible packaging from Amazon. So yeah, we've got these two packs right here, and you'll notice they are different dimensions. It's all the same kind of information on the outside. And actually, I didn't check this. Yeah, even the UPCs are different. So there's something that changed here, whether that was just a dimensional change or it's channel specific. I don't know. But these are 64. These are unscented. These are fresh rain, but I don't think that would have delineated the packaging. You can actually tell something that they did here is super smart, and looks like they did it on both of these. They have a consistent package here on the outside, and then they've come by on both sides and potentially just with inline right after it's filled and printed all of their ingredients, regulatory information, UPCs, all that kind of stuff, the scent, flavor. They've done that at the last possible step. Likely they could have done it before packing, but they've likely just brought all these in, and they're all the same. And then as they change flavors or scents on the packing line, they can just update and have their digital printers print that right information. That's a super smart way to do this. Some brands will use labels, but this is a really, really smart application of digital print in line. Love that they did that. So what we got here from Amazon is actually a really cool pack. I've seen this one before, spoiler alert. So you open this up, and it is two-sided printed. They do have, this looks like Flexo here on the outside, and then as well on the inside. But you can see here this full color kind of graphics inside. And then there's actually two separate little boxes, and these boxes perforate off. Maybe I'll do that here. These boxes perforate off here as 2 separate little boxes. I don't totally know the purpose of that. It's a super cool aesthetic. It's a really cool look, and you've got these kind of 2 miniature boxes. And then each box here, you can see has printing on the inside, a little bit on the outside as well. But then they've done more printing on the inside. Yeah, and then they just have their pods dropped in here. So they've obviously done some testing and figured out that humidity and moisture, just atmospheric, doesn't impact these enough, and they can just go without any additional protective packaging on the outside of these other than just a corrugated box. Some cool other things that they did here, and I'm seeing this throughout, is they went with kind of craft color on the outside and white on the inside. That's actually a cleanliness move. White exterior boxes, especially uncoated like this is, can get really dingy looking in transit. And so we tell brands be careful with that. Craft just doesn't show the dirt and the scuffs nearly as much as something like this would on the outside. So super smart application of packaging. Love the digital stuff. I think it's a cool die line. And then this version here is actually the same, but it's just one big bulk container. It's got, again, got the same kind of interior aesthetic, same exterior printing, and same digital printing here, just on this one face where they put all the ingredients and everything. I don't know if this is channel specific. This was directly from them. This was from Amazon, or if these are just 2 generations of packaging. Maybe Amazon had the older version and they've since simplified it. But this inventory still exists. I don't know. If you know, if your drops, let us know. But I just want to say kudos. This is they've done a great job designing the simplistic packaging, and love the application of digital marking on there. Yeah, great job, Drops. If you have something you'd like us to check out, let us know in the comments below. And if you've seen some really cool applications of digital print, hit us up. We want to take a look at it. Thanks for watching Unpacked.